In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram called interfere feed. So all what you have to do, guys, is simple. Just go to the settings on your phone like this and go to the apps manager, and then all what you have to do now is click on the apps right here, and right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is search for Instagram. As you can see, click on it. Now go to the storage, click on clear data, and then click on clear cache. Go back, click on force stop, and then all what you have to do is click on data usage and make sure to enable all those options. And after that, now all what you have to do is restart your phone and then open Instagram, and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.